Hello, bee people. Man, it's been cold. First nice day. In fact, this is the first day I've really seen the bees flying. So here's that yard that we put the silk fence around. And I remember how many hives this year we made in the middle of summer. So they're cleaning theirs out. I got the snow brush because I'm gonna get rid of the snow on top of them. It's at an angle and I don't want the water dripping on the floorboard. So they're cleaning out. These bees are rolling. We got bees, we got bees, we got bees. I can't tell with that one. I don't know about that one. There were bees. I can't tell. Expect to lose a few. We got bees. We're gonna come back here and throw some sugar at these girls here, I think, next week. Oh, step over. Oh, you could tell, man, they were holding it for a long time. This is why I don't put protein in my hives. They don't seem to be doing good. Anybody home? Break out the old buck knife. Nah, there was honey in there. They just didn't make it. There's a dead one. It happens. Don't be bummed out. So I can't remember how many we made. There's some over there too, like close to 50. So I found one that didn't make it over there. Here's one here. It looks like there's a couple there. These are all got bees in it. I got bees in it. Them got bees, them got bees. I don't know about this. Take a quickie look. Nah, you can, I don't know if you can see that. They didn't make it. So, I don't know, 5, 6 out of 50. Man, that's great odds. Everybody I've tilted still had plenty of honey in them, so giving them sugar wouldn't do no good. So, all the ones over there, the 10 framers and 8 framers, and there's some 5 framers over there, they were all kicking it. I haven't been there. And I haven't been way over there on the other side of the pond. So, hey, man, we did good. Look at that. Sun shining. Hey, keep smiling.